West out on I-20. That's where our Kevin Reese is. And Kevin, you're in Weatherford, you're in Parker County. You'll have the winds and the colder temperatures there before we will in Tarrant and Dallas County. What's happening at this point?
Well, the heavy wind, as you said, has not materialized yet, about 15 to 20 miles an hour here. But as you can tell by the color of my nose and the color of my ears, that the temperatures are indeed dropping. About 10 degrees cooler here in Weatherford than it is in downtown Dallas right now. They have had winds here up to 15 to 20 miles an hour. Those gusts of 30 to 40 expected, as Pete said, sometime later tonight. And if you as we have been here, we've continued to check other areas to the west of us, like Graham, and as you were mentioning, Wichita Falls, wind gusts there, 5, 10 to 15 miles an hour faster than they are here right now. So that is what is indeed expected as the night goes on. We have checked with local fire departments and other agencies. They have not reported any weather-related problems yet, but telling us that they are certainly watching the conditions, as is TxDOT on the highways here. One of the wind problems they could deal with is that the winds have been blowing perpendicular to I-20 north to south, which could be a problem for big rig trucks, but that has not been a problem so far, something they will watch as the night goes on. But as the wind has not materialized, however, it is about 40 degrees here, a light rain now falling, making it just a little bit more miserable, but something that folks here will be watching as the night goes on if those high winds are part of the problems here in Weatherford as well, and all parts west. For now, live in Weatherford, I'm Kevin Reese, Channel 8 News.
All right, Kevin, thanks a lot.